Today's top 10 tech stories. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily tech updates. The performance dividend, optimizing PostgreSQL on Azure directly in Visual Studio Code. Enterprise teams using PostgreSQL on Azure can now optimize database performance directly through Visual Studio Code, addressing issues that typically lead to missed SLAs, delayed releases, and increased operational risk. This integration aims to reduce the business impact of database performance problems by providing developers with more efficient tools for monitoring and optimization. GitHub GMR/pgfmt, a PostgreSQL-specific SQL statement formatter. pgfmt is a PostgreSQL-specific SQL formatter available via Homebrew, curl, cargo, or pre-built binaries, supporting multiple style guides including Mozilla and dbt. It formats SQL statements from files or stdin and can handle pgdump output with a dedicated style option. Splunk, Palo Alto networks patch severe vulnerabilities. Splunk and Palo Alto networks release patches for multiple critical and high-severity vulnerabilities, including CVE 2026-0274 in Cortex XSource/XCM and CVE 2026-20253 in Splunk Enterprise, which could allow unauthorized access and file manipulation. Both companies confirmed no active exploitation of these flaws. SMTP Relay with Web Dashboard. Simple Relay is a self-hosted, multi-tenant SMTP relay with a web dashboard that routes outbound emails through multiple upstream SMTP providers based on sender address, featuring fast API, postfix, PostgreSQL, and Docker technologies. Users can try the full system via a demo at relay.mailtoinbox.vip after registering for a free account. 10 GitHub repositories for modern database systems and tools. The article highlights 10 popular open-source GitHub repositories for modern database systems, including ClickHouse for real-time analytics and DuckDB for in-process analytical SQL, aimed at developers building web apps, analytics dashboards, AI products, or distributed systems. These tools offer practical solutions for various database needs, from embedded SQL to large-scale data workloads. Amazon Aurora now supports PostgreSQL Major version 18. Amazon Aurora now supports PostgreSQL Major version 18.3, offering enhanced query performance, reduced index storage overhead, and new features like PG Roaring Bitmap for efficient set operations, with upgrades available across all AWS commercial and Gov cloud regions. Postgres Bench, a reproducible benchmark for Postgres services. The company has developed Postgres Bench, a public and reproducible benchmark for comparing managed Postgres services, following the same transparent methodology used in their ClickHouse OLAP benchmark. The benchmark uses standardized workloads, consistent infrastructure, and publishes all configurations to ensure verifiable and fair performance comparisons across different Postgres services. Security updates for Friday. No security updates were reported for Friday. Security updates for Wednesday. No security updates were reported for Wednesday. Cache-aware scheduling merged for Linux 7.2 for boosting modern Intel and AMD CPUs. Cache-aware scheduling has been merged into the Linux 7.2 kernel, improving performance for modern Intel and AMD processors with multiple last-level caches by co-locating tasks sharing data to the same cache domain. The feature, enabled via config-sched cache, delivers significant performance gains on AMD EPYC and Xeon processors and is now ready for broader benchmarking and deployment. Thanks for watching. Like and comment below. See you in the next update.